again, in this video we will see how to prepare a drawing sheet. So we have these small assemblies here. So we will prepare. So for preparing we have to file and then make drawing from and then we have to choose which type of sheet, for example A3, and then OK. So here we have different views, so we can click on it, we can drag it here, and then he will automatically draw the another view. So we have like this, we have like this, for example. So and here we have a different type how we want to draw it, and we have different scale. For example, we can change the scale here, not necessarily the scale of the sheet, and I can do OK. I have another option too. I have, for example, I can do section like that, yes, and then drawing it here, for example section AA. Okay, I can do detail, for example here, and put it here. So I have detail P. Annotation, I can smart dimension, for example, I can do like that. I can do, for example, I can do from here to here. Annotation, I can modify it from here to, I can add text or not, for example. So here, text here. So I can do assembly general, for example, in decimal A. I can change the policy, all that. So ici, yes, I can degree, and then E shell, allow all this parameter here. I can add table. It's very, I can choose this section and then insert table. I have many tables, whole table, peel of material. I have weldment cut list, weld table. So weldment cut list, for example. So I have this parameter, and then yes, I can put it here, for example, or here. So yes, you can see here you have many options. Balloon, all it is. I can draw a new geometry, line, circle, trim, all this geometry. I can draw it here in the sheet. Okay, it's all. You can organize your sheet as you want, as you prefer. All these parameters in front of you. So it's all for assembly, and then I will try to make videos for doing a structure more complex, like, and then I will make videos for how to draw and make a dimension for industrial building or another type of structure. So see you soon to the next video.